Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to put like, comment and subscribe image at the end of the video or on the starting of the video. So it is quite simple. So I'll just start to show you how to do that. So if you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. So let's begin. So I have already got one video as a demo here. So I have to get a picture showing like, comment, subscribe now. So for that I'll just go to the import because I have already download the image, so I'll just open that image here. So this is the image that I'm gonna work with. So if for that you just have to drag it over here, just put on the up. Obviously you want to make it short. So once I do that, then you just go to the remove background color, then click on the chroma key. Just drag this cursor over here so that you can see. So then after that, just click on this one, just click on the background color, so the green color is gone. You can also choose the intensity. So if you make it high, then there's going to be some changes. So if you make it low, then the green color will come back. So you just want to do in the middle. So if you play the video now, it should be all good. Yeah, so this is how you can put like, comment, share and subscribe based on the image on the end of the video or on the starting of the video. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.